Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm really excited because I'm going to be redoing 2 nightstands. I have been looking for a matching set of nightstands, and if you didn't know this, they are expensive. And if you didn't know this about me, I am very picky and they need to match. So I really didn't feel like paying $300+ on a set of nightstands. So I actually found a set that were free. I went and picked them up. I'm gonna redo them today. I actually redid a coffee table last week and I loved the colors of them, so I'm gonna be reusing that paint. I'm going to be redoing these and I'm gonna show you guys that it can be really easy. And if you're getting tired of a piece of furniture that you have, maybe the color or something, you can always just redo it to keep on using it. So here's the before. They are really nice and they just have a little bit of like wear on the top, and they're gonna be really easy to sand down because there's not much to them. And then if you look, they slide out. So I went and picked up some paint brushes. I've got my sander. If you're going to do this at home, whether you're doing hand sanding or you're using like a palm sander, make sure to wear a mask. I forgot my mask, unfortunately, but it has a dust catcher, so it's going to catch quite a bit of it. And if it starts to get too much, then I will try and find something to cover. But yes, make sure you are wearing a mask if you're doing this, because it's not good to breathe in what's coming off of the furniture. So I'm really excited, and let's redo these. So the very first thing I'm going to do is take the drawers out, and then I'm going to just sand along everything and then do the drawers separately. And then before I start, I need to get a star screwdriver just to take all the little knobs off, because I want to make sure I'm sanding all of it. Okay, so a little bit later, you can see that it has been sanded. Same with this one. Again, I was just going until they were all smooth. So these two should be done. Here we have it. So we've got the drawers done, the 2 tables done. So what I need to do now is I need to wipe everything off, clean everything up, and get everything ready for painting. You want to make sure you're getting a higher gloss paint if you're painting something like a coffee table, which is why I'm reusing it, or like a nightstand table. This way it'll, I think, last a lot longer and it won't chip as fast, I believe is what he was saying. So let's get to painting. Here is the first coat. I think they are looking so good, so much better. So I'm going to let them both dry. I'm going to touch up the bottoms when they're dry, just because it's going to be a lot easier that way. And then later I'm going to move on to the drawers. I just want to get these done first and then I'll go to the drawers. But they are looking so much better, and I think they're going to look so good with the gray. Look at all my paint splatter, if you can see it. Anyway, I am going to let these dry for a couple of hours, and I'm going to come on, give them a second coat. I think they're only going to need about 2 coats, and then maybe just touch up the bottom, I think is what's going to happen. And then I'll do the drawers after. So here is coat number 2. It's looking so good. So I've done 2 coats on it. I'm going to take a break and I'm going to see if I want to do a third. And if I do a third, then I'll probably start with the drawers also. Hi. So anyway, and also this is the pieces for our nook. A couple pieces had like broke on it, but Wayfair was nice enough to send us some replacement parts, so that is good. But anyway, that's how it's going so far. It's taken me quite a bit. It's taken me, what time is it? It's taken me about 5 hours so far. So I'm hoping to have the stands done tonight, and I'm hoping to have at least one coat done on the drawers because I'd really like them in my room tomorrow. But of course you can't rush it. It's paint, so we will see how it goes. How are you? You are good? Would you like to go outside? Or would you like some food? So these were the ones that I got. They're like a silver, but they're not too silver, and I also feel like they're dark enough to match the actual tables. So I got these and I'm really liking them. So let's go put them on the tables and then let's bring the tables upstairs. They look so much better. I love the knobs. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's different than normal, but I really have been enjoying redoing furniture, and if you want to see more, let me know in the comments down below because I've been doing a couple pieces and I plan on doing more. So if you want to see those, I can show you those and I can film them. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. I'm also going to be getting some lamps and some more decoration for my room very soon. So if you want to see me decorating my room, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload next. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.